The light I found in the dark. There was a time when I thought the darkness would never end. Every morning felt like a battle I didn't have the strength to fight. I woke up exhausted, pretending I was okay because that's what the world expected. Smile. Work. Keep going. No one wants to hear about your pain. But the truth? I was drowning. Life had beaten me down in ways I never expected. Dreams I worked for slipped through my fingers. People I trusted walked away. And no matter how hard I tried, it felt like I was stuck in a cycle of failure. I told myself, just hold on a little longer, but I didn't know what I was holding on for. Then one night, when the weight of it all felt unbearable, I went for a walk. I had no destination, just needed to escape my own thoughts. That's when I saw him. An old man sitting alone on a park bench, smiling at the sky like he had all the time in the world. Something about him felt different. At a time when I saw nothing but darkness, he looked so at peace. Without thinking, I sat beside him. Maybe he sensed something in me because he spoke first. "Life's heavy, isn't it?" I didn't answer, just nodded. "I used to think it would always be that way," he continued. "But the thing about darkness, it only wins if you stop moving." I frowned. What if there's no light left to find? He chuckled, shaking his head. "The light isn't something you find, son. It's something you create." That night, I went home and thought about his words. I was so focused on what I had lost that I never saw what was still in front of me. So I made a decision. I stopped waiting for life to get easier. Instead, I focused on the little things: the sunrise in the morning, the sound of laughter, the kindness of strangers. The more I looked for light, the more I found it. Life didn't magically become perfect. I still had struggles. I still had bad days. But I realized that even in the darkest moments, there's always something worth holding on to. And now, if you're reading this and you feel lost, I want you to know, the darkness won't last forever. Keep moving. Keep searching. The light is closer than you think.